Hey guys, it's Jess of Lunar City Designs, and I have a market coming up this Saturday and Sunday. It's currently Friday night, so I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything away, and I thought while I was doing that, we could go over everything that I have prepped. Starting, we have 12 mini kittens. So we have these guys, and then we have these guys. Very cute. And then we have 9 regular sized kittens. The rest of the kittens. We have 12 little glitter whales. We have 7 little possums. We have 8 geckos and 1 big gecko. We have 5 of these little sitting kitties. Very cute. We have 8 octos. We have 5 bunnies. We have 6 little chicks. We have 9 mushy guys. We have 4 mini mushy guys. 4 stingrays. We have 1 big bunny and 1 leggy froggy left from another market I did. And then we are moving on to keychains. So we have 7 whale keychains. We have 6 Patty stars. Look at him in all his glory. We have 3 possum keychains. 3 little bunny keychains. 2 flower guy keychains.